Okay, so once you have your cube at the desired tightness, just take your caps, and they should just snap right on. Just nice and easy. And I would not use super glue, unless you're worried about your caps falling off, which they shouldn't. Well, because if you use super glue, it could be, I made the mistake with my last DIY. It was a Rubik's brand, which you actually have to use glue. And every time I wanted to adjust it, I had to pry it off, and then it was just a pain because you had to use super glue. But yeah, so it. Hold on. Sorry about that. Okay. Sorry, this is a kind of cruddy tripod. Okay. Well. Okay, so I got it. Actually, while I'm thinking about it, sorry, but I'll just move this to there. I can zoom in. Okay, so mine I think is pretty darn fast. I haven't had any pops yet. Okay, so now the next part is applying the stickers. So check out the sticker video.